Adding in peptides. Question number next one is question number boiling point of this one. What is the correct order? 22 question. What is the correct order? Tell me fast. So 1 iodobutane, 1 bromobutane, 1 chlorobutane, and 1 butane is there. So tell me what is the correct answer? Reply. Are you able to write or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर अभी सोच रहे हैं.
Okay, okay, okay. सोच लो आप जितना सोच सकते हो. You can think. Okay, Priya and Salini. Aditi. Okay. And next one is one chloro means 4 carbon is there, and in one position chlorine, in one position bromine, in one position chlorine, and here is 4 carbon atom is there. So what is the right answer? Vrinda P. In one case iodine is there, second case bromine is there, third case chlorine is there, and in next one 4 carbon atom is there. So what will be the right answer? In case of boiling point, आपका टाइम समाप्त होता है अब. ठीक है, आपका टाइम फिनिश हो गया है. अब मैं आपको बता देता हूं आंसर. लास्ट 5 सेकेंड अगर कोई देना चाह रहा आंसर इसके अलावा. यू हैव लास्ट 3 सेकेंड. ओके, यस मैठानी. B is the right answer. Okay, B is the right answer because iodine has greater boiling point than bromine, then chlorine, and alkane has least boiling point as compared to haloalkane. Okay, because of polarity and other nature is there. Then B is the right answer. Only one difference is there. In case first iodine is there, first bromine is there, first chlorine is there, and only butane is there. Means in case of boiling point, iodine has greater boiling point than bromine, than chlorine and hydrogen, right? So B is the right answer. Sorry, B not. Iodine is greater than iodine and bromine. 1 is the right answer. 1 is the right answer. Sorry, right? Because ये साइन देखा नहीं मैंने आपका. तो साइन इधर है. Means iodine has greater boiling point than bromine, then chlorine, and last butane is there, right? Only one student gave right answer. Question number 23. Dipole moment. Dipole moment, you know that dipole moment depends on, it is the vector quantity. And you know, if you add the vector and its sign is positive to negative sign is there, positive to negative sign, and if the sum of vector is greater, means its dipole moment is greater. So this is the hints for you. Or tell me right answer, whatever. First of all, draw the diagram of all the compound and then calculate the vector sum. First is toluene. Toluene means benzene is there and benzene is connected to CH3 group. And second one is metachloro. Meta means one chlorine is there and second is there. Okay, Ayush Kirsali. And next one is ortho. Ortho position means Cl and Cl. And last one is para. Para means, okay, Sakshi Rothan, Cl and Cl. So tell me the right answer. Okay, ये कौन था? Yes, Methani. Tell me fast. Which one has greater vector quantity? Means if you know how can you add the vector sum is greater means its dipole moment is greater. Simple concept is that. Simple concept is that vector sum is greater than its dipole moment is greater. तो ये आंसर है जो प्रिया कठैत. बताओ which one is A answer प्रिया. What is your answer?
Sir,
A?
B.
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 Okay. Sakshi B. Salini C. देखो C तो गलत है, C और D is wrong. तो ये तो जिसने लिया है बिल्कुल गलत है. Third one is right. Third one is right. Why? Because in ortho position the vector sum is greater. Why? Cl अभी आपको बताया था plus to minus. तो in this case vectors are in same direction. Then its add is greater. Means ortho has greater dipole moment, and that is why it had greater boiling point, because boiling point depends on polarity or hydrogen bonding, right? So ortho is greater, and para is zero dipole moment. Para means fourth one is zero dipole moment. Zero, why? Because the sum of vector is zero. One Cl is here and second one is here. Then the vector sum, both are in opposite direction and magnitude is same. Direction is opposite. Then its vector sum is zero. Means fourth one is last and third one is first. Means B is the right answer. Clear? B is the right answer. Clear? Ortho means third one is greater, then second one, then first one, and last is fourth one. Because para dichlorobenzene has least boiling point, means it is symmetrical, and maximum melting point because of symmetry, and the dipole moment is zero. Is it clear or not? Means dipole moment depends on the vector sum always, and boiling point is also depends on polarity. Question number 24. Tell me answer. Carbon hydrogen bond is polarized. Why? Polarized means carbon is there and halogen means this one is okay. Ayush Kirsali, and it carry charge. Why? Salini. Yes. Aditi, Priya. Okay. And Rahul. Okay. Right. Very good. Because the electronegativity of halogen is greater than carbon. Then halogen carry negative charge while carbon carry positive charge. And due to appear positive and negative charge, the carbon halogen bond is polarized. This one is the right answer. B is the right answer. Halogen atom is more electronegative than carbon atom. Question number 25. Which one has maximum density? Which one has maximum density? Okay, Sakshi Rothan. And which one is yellow color? एक बार फिर से करना। अच्छा, शालिनी चौहान, ओके, साक्षी एंड शालिनी, SS। नो अदर आंसर इज देयर। प्रिया, ओके। देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नंबर ऑफ हेलोजन इज ग्रेटर, नंबर ऑफ हेलोजन इज ग्रेटर देन डेंसिटी विल बी ग्रेटर, right? And number of carbon atom is also greater than density will be also greater, right? So C is the right answer. Sorry, 1 is the right answer. Number of carbon is greater, then its density will be maximum. And in case of halogen, iodine, bromine, chlorine and fluorine, this is the density order. Number of atomic weight is greater, then its density will be greater. A is the right answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट देखो, अभी मैंने आपको बता दिया, अब ये बताओ 26, ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ डेंसिटी इज, वेरी इजी है, जो अभी मैंने आपको बताया था उसी के बेस पे। ओके साक्षी, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज शालिनी, वृंदा, प्रिया, ओके, all are saying right, very good. A is the right answer, I think so. That first of all we have to see that one bromine and one chlorine means two halogen is Ashwini Rawat, okay, ठीक है, one halogen and one chlorine is there, one halogen and one chlorine is one Br and one chlorine is there, means the boiling density of this one is greater, fourth one is greater, then 2 chlorine is there, means in second position, and last one chlorine is there, means third position, right, in third position, and last one is which one have not carry any type of chlorine, means fourth one. A is the right answer. And what is the melting point? The melting point depends on the symmetry, symmetrical. In case all are same, then greater the symmetry, greater is the melting point. So what will be the answer? Greater is the symmetry, greater is the melting point. So what will be the answer? Okay, Sakshi, Salini. Yes, Methani. Aryan, where are you?
सर सर आज ही आया सर,
ओके ओके,
दिल्ली से।
चलो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका, आ गया। साक्षी रोथान, ओके, एंड अदिति, वेयर आर यू? Priya, okay, and the answer is actually Ayush Kirsali, okay, and the answer is C and D is right answer. देखो होता क्या है कि second and third is approximate same, second and third is approximate same, but slightly difference is there. अगर आप accurate जाते हो, accurate, ठीक है, in case of accurate answer, तो क्या होगा, which one is the right answer? Fourth one is the right answer in case of accurate, ठीक है, हाँ साक्षी रोथान, fourth one is the right answer. Why? Because this is more symmetrical. Third one is greater because it is symmetrical. If you cut, then it is divided into two parts, means third one is the, so you have three options, 1 to 3, but then in case of first and second, so he is saying that first and second is equal, so not first is greater than or equal to second is more reliable. Is C option we have to prefer, because slightly very less 2 degree, 2 difference क्या है, केवल 2 डिग्री का डिफरेंस है बस, ठीक है, तो we can say it is equal to or then greater than second. तो जो आंसर प्रिफर किया है that is third one is more preferred than fourth one, right? तो C is the accurate answer. तो डी भी आंसर सही है, बट जब अगर सी दिया आपको तो इन दोनों में से बेस्ट आंसर विच वन इज? सी इज द बेस्ट आंसर एज कंपेयर टू डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैक्सिमम, देखो हाईएस्ट मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, यही देख लो बस, इसको छोड़ दो। लीस्ट सॉल्युबिलिटी पर विच वन हैज हाईएस्ट मेल्टिंग पॉइंट? हाईएस्ट मेल्टिंग पॉइंट विच वन? ओके, साक्षी रोथान। एंड आयुष कृसाली, प्रिया, ओके, आर्यन, अश्विना राउत, वेरी गुड। देखो नो एनी ऑप्शन इज देयर, राइट। पैरा, देखो ये पैरा अभी आया था, पैरा, दिस इज सिमेट्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर। इफ ऑल थिंग इज सेम तो वी हैव टू सी द सिमेट्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर फॉर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट। Melting point, you must have to know symmetrical structure, which one is more symmetrical, has highest melting point. And in case of boiling point, if Vrinda Goyal, okay, if all thing is same, then we have to see the polarity or hydrogen bonding. Polarity or hydrogen bonding in case of boiling point, and in case of melting point we have to see symmetrical structure. Clear? Then question number 29. This one is also very easy question. 29 डेंसिटी ऑर्डर, अभी बताया था इसको, तो दिस वन इज वेरी इजी। 29, ओके, वृंदा गोयल, आर्यन ठाकुर, राहुल, अश्विना रावत, प्रिया, ओके, शालिनी चौहान, यस, मैथानी, साक्षी, अदिति, वेयर आर यू? आयुष कृसाली, ठीक है, ओके, साक्षी, अदिति, आंसर इज राइट, नो डाउट। सी डी इज द राइट आंसर। 4Cl is there, 3Cl is there, and 2Cl is there. Answer is 3 to 1. It means D is the right answer. 30 question, देखो, in presence of alcoholic KOH, and this one is haloalkane. When haloalkane is there and in presence of alcoholic alcohol, elimination reaction is preferred. Okay, Aditi, Kentura, and Sakshi, Rahul, okay, elimination reaction is there, and it follows Sadjeff rule. Sadjeff rule, Sadjeff rule. Aryan Thakur, okay, it follows Sadjeff rule always. What will be the right answer? Right, all are right. ठीक है, B is the right answer among these. एक्चुअल में क्या है, कोई भी right answer नहीं है इसमें, all are wrong, but butene is the right answer. 2-in, because it follows Sadjeff rule. On Sadjeff rules, in second position, देखो ये वाला हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होगा, HBr is removed from here, and in second position double bond will be, right? So its correct answer is butene. ये भी मैंने दे दिया उनको करेक्शन करने के लिए. There are lot of errors are there. So the accurate, the main product is butene because it follows Sadjeff rule, right? In case of elimination reaction, and how can we find out? This is alcoholic KOH. In alcoholic KOH, we prefer elimination reaction, and it follows Sadjeff rule, right? And butene is the right answer. Next question, देखो 31 question. SN1 reaction it follow. Okay, Sakshi, very good. And Aryan, Salini, Vrinda Goyal, yes, Methani, Priya, okay, Aswina Rawat. Where is Aditi? Then this one is the right answer. देखो, in case of SN1 and SN2, in both case I is good leaving group because of large size, then Br, then chlorine, and then fluorine. So I is best leaving group because of large size. Then it reaction or reactivity will be greater. So answer is D is the right answer. Question number 32. बताओ, in case of SN2 mechanism, which one is right answer? SN2 mechanism. Which one is okay, Aryan? SN2 mechanism. In case of SN2, which order is preferred? In case of SN2. Sakshi Rothan, okay. Salini. Priya. Aditi Kentura. Rahul, okay. Yes, Methani. Aswina Rawat. Only 3 students are right, and this one, B is the right answer. Aditi, Aswina, and Aryan. Okay, this is right. Because Sakshi, what are you doing? Because SN2 mechanism follow primary, then secondary, then tertiary. Okay, SN2. In case of SN1 reaction, carbocation is formed and benzene stabilize the carbocation. Then in case of SN1, this one is greater. Okay, in case of SN1 reaction, this one is reactivity of more in first case. But in case of SN2 reaction, this is due to steric hindrance. Due to steric hindrance, primary is greater than secondary, then greater than tertiary. And also it depends on the state of transition state. Stability of transition state. Stability of transition state. Transition state, right? हाँ, very good. T बना दो इसको. ठीक, अदिति. तो transition state तो क्या होगा? B is the right answer because of primary carbon. So its reactivity is greater because of least steric hindrance. 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 Clear? And question number 33. Question number अभी मैं चेंज करता हूं, इसे देखो अब आ गया 33 का. अब बताओ, which one is the right answer? Which of the following compound will give racemic mixture? Racemic mixture, okay, Aryan Thakur. On nucleophilic substitution by OH minus ion, Sakshi Rothan, Salini. Sakshi Rothan, okay. Which one follow? Priya. प्रिया ने कौन सा आंसर दिया है? ABCD. Which one? अच्छा, A. तो आपने तो ऊपर लाइन खींच दी हो. सालिनी. अच्छा, प्रिया.
सर D है.
D. अच्छा, D. मुझे लगा A लिखा आपने.
सर वो पता नहीं पेन कहाँ जा रही है, हम किसी और में कर रहे हैं, वो ऊपर चल जा रही.
ओके ओके, कोई बात नहीं, होता रहता है. और इसके अलावा कोई आंसर? तो इसमें एक ही स्टूडेंट ने आंसर सही दिया है, और वो है आर्यन. ओनली वन इज द राइट आंसर. देखो, रेसिमिक मिक्सचर प्रिफर होता है ओनली इन केस ऑफ SN1 रिएक्शन. इन केस ऑफ SN1 रिएक्शन ओनली रेसिमिक मिक्सचर इज फॉर्म्ड. इन अदर केसेस रेसिमिक मिक्सचर इज नॉट फॉर्म. मींस इन केस ऑफ SN2 रेसिमिक मिक्सचर इज नॉट फॉर्म. SN1 reaction racemic mixture is formed, and in SN1 reaction tertiary, secondary and primary. So this one is secondary, this one is tertiary, and this one is primary. ठीक है? तो which one is preferred? Tertiary is more preferred, but second is not a answer. ठीक है? And third one is primary, so it is not preferred. तो third one में क्या होगा? थर्ड वन, because this is primary. और प्राइमरी में क्या होता है? SN2, but here steric hindrance is also there. ठीक है? But SN1 reaction prefer in case of tertiary and in case of secondary more, does not prefer in case of primary. तो third is क्या होगा, ये ऑप्शन से कट जाएगा, third is not, then only A is the right answer, means secondary तब भी चल जाएगा, 50-50 हिसाब होता है, ठीक है। तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे, secondary is the right answer, जो इसमें से बेस्ट होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34, cyanide is a ambident nucleophile, and ambident means it can donate the electron pair through both sides, inside of C and inside of N. This is called ambident nucleophile, which have two donor atom. तो बताओ which it act as a strong nucleophile in aqueous medium, बताओ कैसे। ओके, आर्यन ठाकुर, शालिनी, और रेड वाला कौन था ये, एक बार फिर से लिखना, रेड अदिति, ओके, अश्विना रावत। Which one is more कंजूस, प्रिया रावत, oh sorry, प्रिया कठैत। और any other answer is not, okay, again Aryan is right answer, ठीक है, आंसर ऑफ आर्यन इज राइट।
यस क्या था ये वाला तो,
हाँ, बिकॉज देखो इन केस ऑफ कार्बन एंड नाइट्रोजन इज देयर, तो यू नो दैट विच वन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, बताओ कौन होगा, कार्बन और नाइट्रोजन, विच वन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, कार्बन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, तो ये कंजूस है, इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा नहीं अपना जल्दी से, तो दोनों को आपने कैसे मान लिया से, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन इज मोर, नाइट्रोजन हैज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव देन कार्बन, तो क्या होगा, जो टेंडेंसी ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इज लेस टू डोनेट द इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर एज कंपेयर टू कार्बन, राइट। कार्बन और नाइट्रोजन में कंपटीशन हो रहा है, कौन जीतेगा, कार्बन, व्हाई, कार्बन हैज अ ग्रेट टेंडेंसी टू डोनेट इलेक्ट्रॉन बिकॉज ऑफ लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी, लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी, तो डी इज द राइट आंसर, इट टेक्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूक्लियोफिलिक फ्रॉम कार्बन एंड because carbon has less electronegative than nitrogen, then its tendency is more to donate the electron as compared to nitrogen, clear or not। अब देखो ये आ गया रेसमिक मिक्सचर सेम, अब बताओ इसमें से 35 क्वेश्चन आंसर, व्हाट विच वन इज 1, विच वन इज 2 एंड विच वन इज 3rd, देखो ये A, दिस वन इज B एंड दिस वन इज C, तो विच वन इज 1 2 3, A में ये है and B and C, which one is the right answer according to you?
सर समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है, तो
कोई बात नहीं, मैं समझा देता हूँ आपको। देखो इसमें क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिटेंशन, ओके, साक्षी ने आंसर दे दिया, शालिनी ने भी आंसर दे दिया, वेरी गुड, एक मिनट, हाँ, 1 सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड, यू हैव 10 मिनट्स, अब बताओ आंसर को। साक्षी, अश्विना, वृंदा एंड प्रिया, ओके, यस मैठाणी, the lot of answers are there, Sakshi 3 and 4 times, and Rahul, Salini Chauhan, okay, तो चलो आपके अकॉर्डिंग देखो, आर्यन, इसमें तो ये जो है कौन है, ये दिस वन इज साक्षी रौथान गेव अ राइट आंसर, ए इज द राइट आंसर। देखो अब बता देता हूं, देखो ये एक्स है और वाई भी उसी डायरेक्शन में जिधर एक्स है, देखो this one is left hand side and y is also in left hand side, means retention means configuration does not change, ठीक है, all thing is same, this is retention of configuration, retention in case of one, and in case of second देखो upcoming group y is in right hand side, means it is inversion of configuration, means configuration is changed, invert, ठीक है, reverse direction, then reverse direction means this is called inversion। अभी बताया था racemic mixture, in case of SN1 reaction it follow racemic mixture, and retention and inversion is possible for SN1 reaction, so this is this one is inversion, second one is inversion, first one is retention, and third one means D and L form. Suppose D1 is D form and this one is L form. So this is called racemic mixture, and this process is called racemization. The form A plus B means this is the D form. Equimolar mixture of D and L form is called racemic mixture, and this process is called racemization. So third one is racemization. So first is the right answer. Clear or not? ये किस केस में होगा? Only in case of SN1 reaction. It is not happened with SN2 reaction, because in case of SN2 reaction only inversion take place. Only inversion take place, and racemic mixture is not formed in case of SN2 reaction. Only SN1 reaction racemic mixture is formed, and retention and inversion is possible because of planar structure. Clear? तो कॉन्सेप्ट भी क्लियर करने साथ साथ में, किसके साथ? क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ. तभी क्वेश्चन है, बिकॉज कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी क्लियर. ठीक है, तो SN1 रिएक्शन में दोनों होंगे और रेसमाइजेशन इज देयर. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट तो यू कैन आस्क मी एनी क्वेश्चन. अब नेक्स्ट वन 36, मैच द कॉलम. टेल मी SN1 reaction, some clues are there. Second is fire extinguisher. Third one is bromination of alkenes. Fourth one is alkylidene and halides. Elimination of HX from alkyl halide. Okay, Priya. A. Salini. Aswina Rawat. Sakshi. Okay. Aryan Thakur. Ayush Krisali. Vrinda Goyal. Very good. एक ही जगह पे आपने जत्था लगा दिया. A और C. ठीक है, A and C. आंसर इज यस मैठानी. ओके, साक्षी रोथान. अच्छा, साक्षी का ही चेक करते हैं पहले क्या लिखा है साक्षी. A इज इक्वल टू C. देखो SN1 रिएक्शन में अभी मैंने बोला था रेसिमाइजेशन इज पॉसिबल ओनली फॉर, तो A इज द राइट आंसर. देखो देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बाकी सबने गलत दे दिया. देखो A इज इक्वल टू C और कहीं है ही नहीं. आगे देखो ही मत, फिर खत्म कहानी. ठीक है, ओनली A इज द राइट आंसर. ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. और SN1 रिएक्शन अभी मैं कितनी बार चिल्ला रहा था आपको, इन SN1 रिएक्शन रेसिमाइजेशन इज देयर. तो A इज द राइट आंसर. क्लियर? एंड सेकंड देखो B इज इक्वल टू 5 फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर में क्लोरोब्रोमो. थर्ड वन इज C इज इक्वल टू 1 ब्रोमिनेशन में क्या होगा? विसिनल डाइब्रोमाइड. D इज इक्वल टू 2 मींस जेमिनल डाइहैलाइड, एंड E इज इक्वल टू 4 मींस सेटजेप रिएक्शन. देखो एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन ऑलवेज फॉलो सेटजेप रिएक्शन. ठीक है, ये भी बोला था आपको अभी, सेटजेप रिएक्शन फॉलो करता है. तो ये हो गए 5 आंसर. तो एक से भी आंसर बन सकता है. यूज योर माइंड ओनली. इफ यू हैव मींस 37 क्वेश्चन. देखो एक्वस NaOH फॉलो. एक्वस NaOH फॉलो. ओके, शालिनी चौहान. एक्वस NaOH फॉलो विच वन? SN1 रिएक्शन और SN2 रिएक्शन. वृंदा गोयल, अश्विना रावत, प्रिया. ओके, आर्यन ठाकुर एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज साक्षी एंड अदिति. नो आंसर. ओके, this one follow SN1 reaction. Why? Because of carbocation is more reliable, more stable in case of SN1 reaction. If it prefer SN1 reaction, then bromine is removed from here and it follow plus charge. And because of resonance, this benzyl carbocation is more stable because of resonance. Right? Then it follow SN1 reaction because of stability. Benzylic carbocation is more stable. Then it follow SN1 reaction. And in case of SN2 reaction क्या होगा? Steric hindrance is there because of this one is large group. ठीक है, तो SN2 reaction it is not preferred. It follow SN1 reaction. So right, all are right. Very good. And what is the answer of 38? क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. Oh, Aditi, Aryan, Salini, very good. Aswina, Rahul, Vrinda, Goyal, all are right. Priya, yes. Methani, very good. Ayush Kirsali, पूरा कर दो इसको. Red, blue, green, right, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. So A is the right answer, no doubt. A is the right answer. Wood's fatigue reaction is. Question number 39. Question number 39. बताओ. ये तो easy reaction है. This one is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. What will be the answer? Okay, Aditi Kentura. And any other answer? This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Vrinda Goyal. Okay. And Sakshi Rothan. Aryan, Priya, Salini. Salini ने कौन सा दिया? B answer. Aswina Rawat. Very good. All are right. Very good. No doubt. Ortho and paradirecting, because C is ortho and paradirecting. Then the compound is, compound क्या होगा? यहाँ पे Cl आ जाएगा and COCH3 and second in para position. बताओ इसमें से कौन मेजर बनेगा? What, which one is major product? हाँ, Salini, Vrinda, Aswina, very good. ठीक है. Aryan, Thakur, Sakshi, all are right. So para is greater than ortho. So para is a major product than ortho. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर लास्ट वन है आज का, क्योंकि 38 मिनट्स हो चुके हैं. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 40. RCl hydrolysis to ROH easily, but reaction slow down on addition of Ki. If you add Ki, the reaction will be slow. This is the true statement or false. You can't say या partially true or false. If you add Ki, then the reaction will be slow. Is it right? Okay, Rahul, Aditi, Priya, and Aswina Rawat and Ayush Kirsali. एक मिनट बस मैं आपका अटेंडेंस ले लूं. तुमने सही दिया आंसर. राइट आंसर इज देयर. ठीक है, 1 सेकेंड में अटेंडेंस ले लेता हूँ आपकी.
सर पीडीएफ मिलेगी इसकी?
हाँ, पीडीएफ मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, आपको मैं सब कुछ दे सकता हूँ, डोंट वरी. ये इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग भी मिल जाएगी आपको. तो इसका आंसर है, आपका आंसर इज सी इज बी इज द राइट आंसर. बी इज द राइट आंसर. क्लियर? फॉल्स.